So something that I've been noticing is obviously this connection point right here. So
suspicious activity at the front door.
What? What the heck are you talking about? Suspicious activity. All right, so I'm obviously just still working on stuff. I just got an alert from one of my screened devices that my camera system was activated that faces the street of my house. Wait till you see what vehicle pulled in front of my house. The vehicle's actually gone already, but yeah. I don't even know. So obviously you guys know we got this box right here. Hey, babe. We got this box right here that is sitting, waiting for me to open. This was an absolute surprise. And then when I look out the window and you see that. What is that? This is a Don't Just Bash Blast. What is this from? Designed fast, designed tough. I'm not even sure if I even know what this company is. It almost looks like it's the same box as here. I mean, it's the same thing. So what is going on here? We're gonna have to bring this bad boy in. Is this literally going to be like what's in the box number 2? Yeah, if you're wondering what's going on with my finger, just go check out the Game Changer fan video that I just put up on the YouTubes. But yeah, this actually does have a shipping hole in it, and I'm trying to see what's inside the box. I really can't tell because I don't know what side that is. Like, what is that? What does that even say? Like, look it. Looks like it was hit pretty hard. Yeah, I don't even know. Like I always say, RC Guy Garage, I don't even know. I think we're just going to listen to the wind chimes for a second. Oh, those wind chimes are so calming. Got this one over here doing the same exact thing. This one over here, just calming. And then you see that. I mean, and do you even realize, like, what day it is today? It's Sunday. This is a Sunday delivery from good old FedEx. So we're actually going to take this thing inside and let this thing hit the wind chimes. So I guess we're going to sit that box, look for size comparison. I'm going to sit that box next to that box right there. Sorry for the pointer finger, but it is what it is. Damage. So, yeah. Anyways, yeah, if you're interested in seeing what's inside that box from RC Guy Garage, you point blank already know what to do. What you doing, sweetie, huh? You happy too? I know. Hi, Haley. What you doing? What you doing? I know. Exciting times, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Like I said, I don't even know. Bam! 2 What's in the Boxes coming up from RC Guy Garage. Like I always say, I'm out. You should get out too. And point blank, always rip it. woods. Holy crap. Oh, body off. Oh my God. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, yeah. That was right to my face.